Here we go. We got KMT USA turn 7. Actions happening all around. Bird, I figured out how to change the color on this bomber. Kind of made it a weird color, but it looks a lot better, so thanks for the advice. Okay. KMT, the fledgling nation, is going. We were considering doing a full attack into Nanking, which I think would go well because I was going to use this medium bomber to bomb the port and then surround it with an attack to Hunan. The problem is there are these two Japanese AA. I don't think I'd be successful if they hit, and they could hit, 3 shots and kill all my fighters. So we're just going to do guerrilla tactics for now. Use our militia to trade favorably. So we've got 10. We're going to buy AAA, 2 infantry. It's going to be all 10. And then we're going to do attacks. The Japanese have built this pesky medium bomber, which happens to be in range of the KMT factory, so we got to kill the landing spots. So we're going to trade here. 2 militia into here. 2 militia into here. See how that goes. Fighter here, medium bomber here. KMT fighter here, and then we'll put an extra fighter here because that's worth more. And then everything else is going to be non-combat. So can't go into there. So just these attacks right here. Let's roll them. Alright, so we've got 2 fighters, 2 militia. Militia at 1s. They can't get any lower, crossing the river. Against a infantry 4. We'll roll them all together. Japanese infantry in blue, fighters in red, militia in black. No hits for anybody. Roll again. Okay, that's all the hits Japanese need. Hunan gets captured. I'm going to keep doing this every time because I'll forget. I'm usually playing the scripted version. So +2 for KMT. Where the heck? Alright, +2 for the KMT, -2 for the Japanese. Next attack, we're going to go up here. 1 less fighter, 2 infantry. I'm sorry, 2 militia against 1 infantry. 1 infantry's in blue, fighters in red. Oh, look at that. Militia hits. Alright. Chinese up 1, Japanese down 1. Last attack, we've got medium bomber now, which is hitting out of 7. 2 infantry. I'm sorry, 2 militia, 1 infantry. It's 2 to 2. Lose a militia, lose infantry. Quaiton falls. Those are all the attacks. Non-combat. We're going to create a task force marker. Ooh. Oh man, does this game not have task force markers? Wait, I must be missing it. Oh yeah, it's over here. Do we just use I guess we'll use a US one. All right. Let me use a. Ooh, that's cool. Let's see, maybe number 1. KMT is number 1. That is a huge marker. Shrink that up. Wow. There's a limited size on the shrink. Interesting, Cody. So the KMT are going to do guerrilla tactics and skedaddle into their new capital of Szechuan. We don't think we have an advantage staying on the front lines like that. So we're going to move. All the fighters are going to land there as well. Who knows, maybe they'll build a fighter base there. These guys are staying put. This guy's attack. Those guys attack. Those guys. All right. So do we stay here? I'm gonna be honest with you. I think we just trade again. Trade back and forth. Let's see. Moves everything in. I don't think the Japanese want to do that. So we're gonna leave everything there except for one infantry. Oh, I already left one there. What the heck? This is why people clean up when they're not recording. Right. So KMT looked good. KMT is going to collect 8 plus 2 for Burma, 10. Going to place our stuff, the only place we can, out here. We will make that look good in a second. Although I really want to make it look good now. Why? This is bugging the shit out of me. Maybe this model too big. All right. Don't mind this. Just enjoy the ride. All right. Make myself laugh. I like recording. I like hearing myself talk. We've got 10 there. We're good. On to USA. So Italians declared war, tragically, and USA moves up 5. So the USA is outraged at the Italian aggression. USA is up to 21, and I believe they get an income roll starting now. So D12, we're going to do it in the income board. Gonna make this nice and big for thematic effect. Maybe find a red, white, and blue area, but here we go. That was good. That was a 10. 31 for the USA. Allies are doing good. We're going to see a potential unholy alliance between the Soviets and the Germans. We'll see what the Soviets have in store. They also have a big income right now. So we're at 31. We can lend lease. We're going to lend lease a British fighter to the British. So the Free France lost their capital. They need to create a new one. I believe they can do that. There's like no penalty. But I'm not going to reference the rules right now. I'll just check later. So Free France needs to create a capital. We're going to use this strategic rocket to call that out. I don't even know where the Free French territory are. They do not have They have Madagascar. That sucks. That was a good pick from the Italians there. This was risky, but I like it. This is the French capital. The French are going to get, what are they going to get? Don't mind me, just scheming. Where is this militia supposed to be? I have no idea where that's supposed to be. That was just laying here. I'm going to delete this. Maybe it's here. I'm just going to put it there. All right. The French are going to land lease a airborne. I wonder what they're going to do with that. And then, oh, KMT. KMT. We're going for a AAA for the KMT. So that is 10, 13, 17. That's 17. 39 minus 17 is 22. Left over. Actually, do we have any major factories we need to upgrade? No, we're good. We're good at majors. So, except that one. Screw that. Screw Mississippi. Or is that Texas? Oh, sorry, Texas. This is Mississippi. Just gonna land lease that. I think, can we move ships? I think it's 35. Yeah, 35. So, British fighters go in here. And then French airborne's going Madagascar. KMT is getting land lease to here. Get a little bigger. We're going to collect 31. It's going to be 31 plus 22 is 53. Oh my goodness, we forgot tech. Okay, USA Tech. I was about to close the video. This is a little longer. USA Tech, amphibious doctrine, heavy armor, jet fighters. Why did I start heavy armor? I don't remember the logic there. Heavy strategic bombers, strategic rockets, large ship construction. 4, 5, 6. Improved construction. 7. Here we go. Miss. 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 Heavy armor. Here we go. Amphibious doctrine. Improved construction. 3 for 7. I guess that's average. We're going to get heavy armor first. That's useful. All right. It's a joke. I don't know how to. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's useful. All right. Thanks, guys. See ya.